Portugal. Yeah, I thought I was there, but I was in Macau. Tall buildings all around. Thought I was in Braga, baby, but that looks like Macau. Yeah, it just looks like Macau. I thought I was in Braga, baby, Braga, Portugal. Yeah, I thought I was there, but I was in Macau. Walking, walking, walking. Thought I was in Braga, baby, but that sure as hell looks like Macau. I think I'm in Macau, baby, Braga, Macau. I thought I was in Braga, baby, Braga, Portugal. Yeah, I thought I was there, but I was in Macau. So if you're ever lost, just look around. If it seems like a lot of neon can be found, you might not be in Braga, you might just be in Macau. Macau, baby, Braga, Macau.
Okay, we're gonna film this street right here. This is Minho Street. There's Nova Mall right there, so we're gonna be walking behind it. And then that's Grand Central Park right there. And we have Altira Hotel right there, this kind of cool looking building. And then up here it goes up towards the universities, and then the bridge is to the left. And all of that is the base of our street, which is going to be Minho. It's going to be Rua de Minho. So we're going to show you this street today. Rua de Minho. Did you think you were in Portugal? Well, you're not. You're in Macau. And on the map you can see Minho. So this is a province of Portugal, and then you can see as well that Braga is the capital. So I did another video of a street called Rua de Braga, which was pretty close to this one actually. So it's kind of interesting that there's a street called Braga and Minho, which are really close together in Taipa. But anyways, I got some lyrics to this one, and I just I did the other video with the other street, and I just keep in the same song because it's the same region. And that is this one. So let's get into the walk and talk, where I'll narrate and walk down Minho Street and show you another side of Macau. Okay, so Rua de Minho. So we're going to be walking directly by this mall right here. So we're going to come down a little bit like this. There's actually a gym on the other side of this, which is kind of interesting. Let me see. Maybe we'll just walk down it just slightly. But you can see the Altira Hotel that way, and there's quite a few tall buildings all the way around here, actually. And then the gym would be right there. So it says 24/7 fitness. There's all these windows that are right there. So and that's actually the front gate, and then those tall buildings down that way is where Taipa Central Park is at. But we're gonna be walking down Minho Street, and we got all these tall buildings right here with those nice kind of circular windows that I've always kind of found quite impressive. And that particular apartment has quite a few of those. And in the distance you can see a mountain. So that mountain is Taipa Pequeño, which is like small Taipa hill. I'll give you a little bit of history about that hill as well, but historically Taipa had two islands, Taipa Grande, which is the big island, and Taipa Pequeño, which is a small island. So that hill that we could see is Taipa Pequeño, small hill. And that's up there are all these apartments that are on top of the Nova Grande Mall. We're gonna keep on walking down, and Minho Street, it's gonna go by the School of Nations, which is down that way just a little tiny bit. But we have this nice park right over here as well. So I think I'm gonna take the camera over here, and we're gonna walk along the park. But there's actually some stuff down in here too. So I don't know what it's all about, but there is a nice courtyard right here. Basketball, there's even like wicker chairs that are out. And tennis court. And I couldn't tell you about what this is. I think it's a hotel. I think it's the backside of a hotel, but that could actually be something connected to the hotel right next door to it. Maybe a school. Maybe we'll have a better idea in a moment. And just to give you some context, we are in Taipa. You can see him a little bit more. Let me see, I think on the other side of it is what's the name? There's a hotel back there, so I think that might be connected to that hotel. And here you have all these exercise equipment. Then we have more of the, I think, tennis courts coming up. And you even have this kind of thing in here. I guess that's storage for the garden. Okay, so now we can see more of it. It's actually kind of an interesting thing to the side there. I can see two people. I think that's all part of the hotel. What's the name of that hotel again? It's I actually stayed at it for quarantine, so I actually stayed at a hotel for 10 days. We had COVID in Macau, where if you left the city to come back, you had to stay up to 21 days. And it changed, it's like 14 days, 10 days. It's usually like 2-3 weeks, but mine was 10 days, so I was kind of lucky. But I think that's the backside of that hotel. And then that's a mountain up there. You can see a little kiosk way at the top as well. Okay, so we're gonna keep on walking down our Minho Street. And we're still on the backside of the Nova Mall. And we still got exercise equipment, and we're in Taipa. It's kind of interesting, like how much land they got for this little space. So if you're, I think it's all related to the hotel, so that means there's quite a few amenities there. We're still in Minho. And now this one right here, there's a temple up on the hill, straight down that way. And then this way, this one right here is also connected to that temple. There's a, I don't know what you call this, but there's like services for elderly, and they also have just small events to the community. I think you can rent a room and hold different events. So that's all in this building right here. And you're gonna get a glimpse of it in a moment. Still the mall there too. And up ahead we're gonna have some kind of like a house that's in those weeds up there. We're gonna check that out as well in a moment. So this is that's the temple right there, and you can see a little Guayin statue as well, and there's a car coming out of the parking lot, so we're gonna, but you can see it there. And we'll just keep on walking down. There's all the people coming out of Nova. It's the back side of it. This is the beginning of Visu Street. So Visu is right there. So Minho and Visu cross right at that spot. And then later Visu goes down parallel. So I think we're gonna go down this way, because directly ahead of us is School of Nations on the right, but then on the left there's kind of interesting housing. Let's see if I can get across here efficiently. But there's this little abandoned space right here. He's gonna, let me see if I can get across here. So we're gonna go right to here. And then this right here is kind of interesting, right? So you got like some bicycles that are just kind of tossed up to the side. You have dilapidated homes. You even have like a bunch of still water in there. It looks kind of like it's like a mix of stuff. There's Minho. There's 2 living missions right there. But because of this, I just wonder like how long this has going for it. Like, are these government stuff and they just put in like stuff, or is there somebody who lives here that collects kind of random stuff and just kind of tosses it about? Because there's stuff like shovels, which could be for the land itself. It's confusing. There's even like some pipe right here, like, so this pipe water, there's like lots of still water in there too. But yeah, anyways, I kind of want to capture it because this will probably not be here in the future. The land is so valuable. So, and then there's another one right here that I don't know what this is all about either, but it's private and it says you can't occupy it. And this is going to be the end of our street, but then across the street we have another one as well. So that's Minho Street. Jump over the fence. And then there's this other big yard right here too that's empty with weeds growing. But that's our target street right there, Minho. We'll end it right there.
Braga, Macau. I thought I was in Braga, baby, Braga, Portugal. Yeah, I thought I was there, but I was in Macau.